In this video, I'm going to teach you how to edit form fields in HubSpot. In order to do that, you first need to locate your form, typically found under the marketing, and under this is the form. Head over and click your form. So I already found my form right here on my recent activities, so let me open it right around here. Now once you're on your phone, just head over and click onto this edit form. This will open your forms editor. So onto this case, we just need to edit the form fields that we currently have into this case. For now, we have the first name, last name, and email. You can edit the field itself or add more. So click on this plus icon if you want to add more. Choose right here the field that you want. So on my case, let's head over and then choose right here date. Just drag it wherever you want to put it. Let's input it right here onto this case, which is beside right here of the email. After you've done that, it will be added directly. So on some cases, it may take some time to load, but when it's done, you can see it right here. So you can edit some things as well and delete them if not needed. So that's all there is today. And if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.